Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to me, and then it's me again. And it's me again, and so I will explain to you about some videos. Yeah, especially maybe you know a baking soda as well. This is the ingredients, which is to using something, yeah. And then there's one video who will explain the benefits of baking soda, and then I will explain to you again uh, what's the benefits of baking soda based on the video what I've seen before. Okay, so here's one, and then before that I will to explain to you about the baking soda, right? Okay, so ready, and let's go. So okay, yeah, baking soda is one of the ingredients used in making cakes. But there are other benefits of baking soda that are rarely known. To clean the room or certain objects at home. These benefits make baking soda no less effective than cleaning products that are commonly used. Moreover, baking soda is safer than common cleaning products that contain hazardous chemicals. The following 7 benefits of baking soda at home. And so, here is number 1. Yeah, the following is number 1. Overcoming the drainage that is clogged. Do you know the clog? Okay, I will repeat. Number 1 is overcoming the drainage. Overcoming the drainage. What, the drainage? Oh, okay, sorry. Yeah. The first one is overcoming the drainage that is clogged. Yeah. How to pour hot water mixed with baking soda into the water channel. In addition to launching orders, yeah. In addition to launching orders in the waterways can also disappear. First and second. Fat and odor in open microwave. In an open microwave can be easily removed by baking soda. Try using baking soda when cleaning it. Okay? And third is a baking soda can clean kitchen furniture made from enamel and copper. You do not need to be confused. Yeah, you don't need to be confused if there are burn marks on your cookware. Okay? And fourth, the unpleasant odor in the refrigerator can be eliminated by putting baking soda into a container and storing it in the refrigerator. Baking soda will neutralize the odor. And fifth, the pungent odor in the trash can be overcome by sprinkling baking soda. The smell will slowly begin the decrease. Okay. And sixth, yeah, you can get rid of the smell of cigarette smoke in the room by putting baking soda in an ashtray. And the last one, 7th, the smell in the lunchbox. You know what it is? It's usually difficult to remove. But try soaking the lunchbox with baking soda and warm water overnight and smell. Overnight. Wait, what? Oh yeah. And warm. Ah shit. No. Oh yeah. But try soaking the lunchbox with baking soda and warm water overnight, and the smell disappears. The last one, seventh. Yeah. Once again, the smell in the lunchbox is usually difficult to remove, but try soaking the lunchbox with baking soda and warm water overnight, and the smell disappears. And here's the benefits to putting the baking soda from based on video. So that's all from me, and I see you. And I see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to like, comment, and share, subscribe. And so, thank you so much for watching. See you next. Bye. Peace. Good luck, everyone.